Just been trading and playing Mario at the same time. I think it's the best combination ever. This is what I must live stream, I think. Mario and trading. Check out this setup. Trading, playing some Mario Maker 2. This is the life. Got to decide what to do with my life by Wednesday, tomorrow. I either got to commit to this place in Oregon for a little bit or hop on a plane, go to Asia. What do you think I should do? It's all cozy here. Got a bunch of friends hanging around. Got a sweet spot where I can do some live streaming in the morning if I wanted to, but I have to get up at 5:30, or I could go into parts unknown, wake up whenever I want to wake up, see the world, go on some wild adventures. I'm asking everyone I know. I'm taking a tally of what people say. I'm going to add up the numbers in the next 24 hours. The meteoric rise continues in the markets. I actually just got into a short back here. Had a nice wick, point of control in the wick. Then we got some single bar divergence, broke lower. Just popped down over 15 points from there. Back here we had some single bar divergence on the 15-minute. Bullish ADX, point of control down in the wick. When we broke higher, had a nice 45-point pop to the upside there. Got into a short here. We had a nice little push up at open, but delta was decreasing as we were moving up. We even had some single bar divergence on this 5-minute candle, point of control up into the wick. So as we were making that move up, delta was moving lower. Just got into another short. We had 3 top wicks on the delta histogram for this previous 3 5-minute candles. Then we got this bearish ADX candle. I got in short intra-bar. The ADX was turning bearish intra-bar. We pulled back a little bit. Now we're getting a nice 15-point drop off. I got out right before it hit the 15-minute center here, which has now officially been formed. So going to be paying attention to whether we stay above or below the 15-minute center here. And we got that news at 10. Had a nice top wick on the delta histogram on this candle. Point of control drawn up to the top here. More bearish ADX. Getting a nice sell-off now. I got into a short after we had this nice candle close below the 15-minute center here. Bearish ADX, bearish Heikin Ashi. We did get a little bit of a pullback, but I was keeping an eye on the 15-minute center and the 20 SMA here. As long as we were staying below that area, I was still favoring the shorts. We retraced right up to the pre-market high, to the tick. A nice little sell-off. As we were moving down here, we had delta steadily increasing to the downside. We got 7 minutes until the 10 o'clock news. We had some ADX divergence building up as we are approaching the pre-market center. We just got some wild bounce out of the blue. I think the news came out a few minutes early. We moved up right to the upper Bollinger Band here. Got rejected off the upper Bollinger Band. I had to refresh my chart. You see all that ADX divergence is gone. That's because I'm using the ADX on price change, which I like because it gives me insight into potential early moves, but I also take the on price change or on each tick divergence with a grain of salt because it's not the same as it would print if I had it on bar close. So here we are at 10 o'clock when the news is supposed to be officially out. Looks like it might be trying to push higher. Still looking out for the R1 pivot. Just got into a short here. We had 2 pretty big top wicks here. Point of control up into the wicks right off of the 15-minute center. Got into a short looking for a retest of the 20 SMA, which we just got. There was 10 points of room right there. Up over 300 bucks, stacking the micros. Grabbed another Apex account with the 80% off sale. Just got into another short. We are just holding this 15-minute center area hard. Had a very bearish candle here. This big top wick. Got the pullback. Delta was dropping off on the 5-minute. Got into another short there, looking to retest the 20. We're just kind of bouncing in between the 15-minute center and the 20 SMA back and forth. Grabbed another short, just trading this incredibly tight range here. We pulled up to the upper Bollinger Band and started rejecting. Started getting some bearish ADX intrabar. Just grabbed another short here. Check out this candle, single bar divergence. Pretty big top wick, point of control in the wick. Wicking right off of the 20 SMA and the pre-market high. Got in short, we just dropped off over 10 points. Getting a little hold up at the 20 SMA on the 5-minute. I threw the ES 5-minute up on the workspace. I was missing the ES. I tried to get into a bounce trade long here at VWAP. Right when we first pulled down, I hit the market order and I got filled like up here at 34 or something. So I hopped out right at break even. I just was not really wanting to be in longs for too long if it wasn't gonna bounce immediately. It's a triple level right here though. We got yesterday's high, pre-market center, and VWAP. We did just bounce up over 15 points off of that area. We had some ADX divergence down here as well. If I hadn't have got that bad fill, actually got filled where I hit the market buy, would have been a good trade. Still up over 400 for the day. Definitely enjoying being back to trading the New York Open. We are getting a very nice VWAP bounce now. It's after 10:30. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Apex has 80% off, $85 activation fees. Take Profit Trader has 40% off, no activation fees. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the best. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.